I want to do a quick live update real quick from Gulf Shores, Alabama. And I want to talk about, real quickly, we're just here, we're doing a bunch of projects. I hope you guys are going to enjoy these DIY videos for, we placed an air conditioner with an inverted air conditioner. We replaced all of the sewer lines. It's kind of a shitty job, big guy. And now we're going to do the tachs today.
Correct. Tachometers
Today. And then, but the reason I'm even talking about this because Steve yesterday said, he made a comment. We were at the gym working out, and we were talking about life in general. And, he goes, Paul, you got like 50,000 nautical miles on you. How many mistakes have you made out there? And, I joking with him, I said, Steve, I've made them all. And he goes, well, what do you mean by that? And I go, I hit everything. There isn't a place I haven't, and it's just life in general, Steve. You know what I'm saying? Like I've run boats aground. Even in my work boats out there, when I was running night every single night. Once in a while things happen. It's hard to explain because it happens very, very quickly. And when you don't have, you'll lose your electronics. And when you have that kind of mileage and that kind of data, things happen. And, I've made every single mistake in my life. I've been married twice. I'm divorced now. I mean, you could call it all mistakes. I don't think any of it was truly mistakes, though. I think
that's life.
Yeah, and it's learning and growing. And that's what boat's all about. And in my opinion, it's healthy. Yeah, it keeps your mind young. It keeps you working. But making mistakes is, just a huge part of life. And, is buying a boat a mistake? Do you think it is or no?
No, I mean, what are you going to do with your time? I mean...
Correct. And that's
what I like about it is all the guys here, I mean, we're all struggling with it together, and then we have a good time together. And, I mean, what else we're going to do? Sit on the porch or, go swing a golf club all around?
And I think that
around? I don't know.
That's the difference. If you're one of those types that just sits there and you want to watch TV, that's fine. And you want to watch Fox News, that's fine. But there's other people that want to go out and do stuff. You know what I'm saying? And if you're doing stuff happens. And that's why it doesn't matter whether you're investing in the stock market, cryptos, going to church. Everybody makes mistakes. And owning a boat, I don't think it's a mistake. I think if you want to do it, and Steve, this is one of my big things and I talk about this a lot, is the market has definitely changed, and I can see in the market, you have to have more skill levels because a lot of this stuff is DIY now. And if you're going to own one of these boats, you really got to know what you're doing, so that have that handyman type skill levels, or have enough money to help, you know what I'm saying?
Even then, you really have to have an open mind to learn. The thing is,
correct.
Hey, do you know how to do X? No, not until you do. It doesn't matter what it is. I used to have a guy that I work with that every single thing I ask him, I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do that. Well, guess what? Neither did I until I learned.
Correct. And I think that's what this channel's all about. You learning 100%. And DIY videos. I take you guys on the daily blogs of these trips. And as I'm a better boater than I was 10 years ago. 5 years. Yeah, every day. Yeah, exactly. I've never done tachs before. Now we're going to install some tachs.
And we're never going to do sewer lines again.
Well,
never say never.
Never say never, because I don't think this is your last.
We're going to forget about these before we do them again.
I don't think this is your last boat, Steve. I think
no.
This is your first big boat.
Yeah.
I think you'll move on, but you made a really good decision, so it's going to be very, very difficult to improve from here, if that makes sense. So it'll be...
we're making this one so nice.
Hey, dude, I don't want to get anybody geeked up on this, but I did get involved in a 5288, which is, they say, is twice this boat, and then they make a 5788. But the engine room is where it really, but bigger boat, bigger money, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so, bigger insurance, bigger everything.
Everything.
One day I'll do it once I'm going to really, really live full time on it. A 57 or 5288 is my next boat.
And this one, he's built specifically for doing America's Great Loop.
This is perfect for what we're doing.
And it is absolutely, some of the stuff he's done on this thing is unbelievable. And it's just little stuff that really makes his life much, much easier. Steve, how many mistakes have you made in life?
Probably every day, several. I'm going to be 50 this year, so
Like me, then you've made them all.
Yeah, all of them.
Every single one of them, and I think
Wouldn't change it though.
No, not one of my ex-wife, nothing. Because my first wife, I had my children with, and I would not. There's no way. Those are my pride and joy. My son and my daughter.
And it's fun to have people to make the mistakes with, like you and all the guys in here. And I mean, we
just have a group. Like last night, we were up till you were up till midnight, big guy.
I know.
Well, didn't get done with the sewer hoses till about 10 o'clock.
Started at 5 a.m. and ended at midnight last night, and that was with
I went to sleep
and everything else.
Yeah. Anyway, peace out. I just wanted to give you that live update. We're leaving here, and we're not exactly sure on the day. We're just waiting for the boat to close, the paperwork to close, and then I'll be heading back to Michigan. And then, believe it or not, Steve, I head right back to this marina.
This will be, you're bringing half a dozen of them here over time.
Newer, nicer boats, too. Like this is a 2006 twin screw main ship. Really nice boat. Yeah. So we'll see what happens. You never know until they're closed. I don't get too excited. And then this, the 5288, it's in the process of closing too, so I'd love to go to Michigan and actually see that boat while I was there.
Is he bringing it here too?
No, that one, well, yes, he will, but I don't think he'll come to this marina. Okay. So anyway, peace out. July quick update. Thank you guys. Remember, live life, and remember, mistakes are just part of it. Absolutely. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Can't do this channel without you guys. Thanks. Bye.